Hello, we are at 1048 Haight Street. We're on Haight Street at Baker and right by Buena Vista Park, right there here at the top of that little hill. And this is the dividing line between Upper and Lower Haight. As you can see, there's scaffolding here, so the exterior of the building is being painted. They're picking the colors here, so I'll know the colors real soon, but I think it's going to be a combination of white and gray with some accent colors. Okay, here we are coming in the front door of the apartment, or I should say a flat. This is a full floor flat. Okay, and we're on the first story. All right, come into a common hallway here. Wainscoting, hardwood floors throughout this unit. First room on your right is a nice big living room. Beautiful decorative fireplace. Those cords on the floor are for the Comcast, otherwise known as Xfinity, for cable or internet connection. Beautiful tall windows here, and we are facing south. And again, please excuse our scaffolding, but the building's gonna look great. Okay. Continuing down the hallway, come to bedroom number 1. I say you could do a queen bed comfortably in here. Got a double closet with a mirrored closet door. All right, there's the thermostat for the unit, gas forced air for the heat, okay? All right, bedroom number 2. Single closet here for this one. And again, I think you could do a king or, well, a queen. And you could fit a king, but I think a queen would fit better. And please excuse a little bit of cleaning supplies and whatnot that we have in the closet. We're gonna get all that cleared away. All right, next we come to the formal dining room. Beautiful period details in this room, stained glass, another decorative fireplace. Beautiful detail here on the ceiling and some original built-ins. So, gorgeous room. Next, we have our large updated kitchen. Tons of cabinet space. Got a gas range, microwave, fridge, dishwasher. More cabinetry over here. Quartz countertops. And again, please excuse the painting supplies. And a huge pantry. We got new light bulbs to put in, so sorry the light is out at the moment, but I just wanted you to see that there's all this storage space. And then here beyond the kitchen is a little breakfast nook. And then off the back here, shared garden. It's a 3-unit building. So you would just go down the stairs and be in that shared space. And there's a little water closet here, okay? Just the toilet. And as we come back into that main hallway, got a bonus room that would make a fantastic home office or a little exercise room. Or it could be converted to a small 3rd bedroom, but it does not have a closet, okay? And bed size, I think would be, twin size max. But in the past, the prior tenants used this as a home office. Okay, full bath. Hi, everybody. So we've got shower over tub, nice black and white tile floor, medicine chest with some shelves inside here. Okay, and then the cabinet underneath. This is a split bath, so the other section is here, okay? Or you could use that little water closet that was all the way back there off of the breakfast nook, okay? And then a coat closet. The building does have shared laundry in the garage, and there is room to store bikes in the garage for this unit. Okay, 1048 Haight Street. Thanks so much for watching.